And we are going to open our Shein haul. Is it haul or haul? So, today we received we received this box from Shein. Shein, yes. And I need a scissor because I cannot open this one without this one. So excited. Come on. We are. No, it's not open yet. Let's see. Ay. Yes. Oh my god. It's so difficult to open. There you go. And and let's just put this down. So happy. Ta-da! I bought Luna a shirt. Look at this one. It's so cute. This is for Luna. Ah. Let's pray that this is small. Oh my god. No way. It's too big. I can't. This is like and this is what size is this? Large? No, this one's too much. I can't. Have to send this back. Why is too big? No, we have to return this one. Next up. Actually, I saw this in Shein. It's been like a while that I haven't bought anything for myself. And most of my clothes are small because I wear XS clothes, extra small. And now, because I gained weight, I this one is okay, but it's so, I don't know. Let's try this later. I'll try. I'll try and try. Try and try. See. We got what we got. Should I try this? No, I don't like this one. I don't know. It's not good. Love, check this one, Lavo. You like? Yeah, yeah. I don't know. I don't like it. For Luna baby. So cute. I think we can keep Luna's for the weekend. I don't know. This one, we'll see this one. This is blue. And I'm not sure. Should I try it? Let's see. I can try this one. We'll try this one. Maybe we can wear it for shopping or going to the mall. You know, today was super traffic, like super duper traffic. This one is okay. This is pants. And I have this. I have actually this like um like an idea. Like I was thinking while I was driving that what if you got cramps, like you got cramps when you're driving in a highway, right? What should you do? Or like if you got like itchy, like you have like itch in your feet or in your legs, what you will do? What you will do when you're driving? Seriously, this is serious. I was like thinking about it earlier. And then obviously, like if it's a cramp, obviously you have to stop, right? Because you might get into accident. Why does it make sense? So, and then I was like, but you will never, I will return this. But I feel like you will never get cramps if you like I don't know. It's so weird why I think about that. So there's one person who suggested that you have to stop on on a skeleton. We call it here. How we call it? How we call this one in Dubai? It's not a skeleton. It's like the white lines where you stop. So you'll have to stop and then like stretch for a while, or like find a store to buy some electrolytes like the drinks. Maybe it will work as well. This one is the same stubble. What else? Some says like just bear with it, just drive. I don't know. That's what I was thinking. Sometimes I have like so weird thoughts in that is for Wilson. Sometimes I have these weird thoughts while driving, you know? Like sometimes I would think about, oh, this is so cute. Look at this one and this one. Ta-da! Mom and daughter. And like also when I was driving earlier, there's a guy that was like like there's a light like a how you call it, stoplight in Philippines, we call it here signal. So the signal says go, okay? And the guy, I don't know what happened. So it was like a jump pack on the middle because the one is going to the left and then one is going to no U-turn and the other one goes to right. Something like that. And then there's a jump pack because the car that is opposite side, they thought that they are on go, and this in this side as well, hit like it is go, like it's a good go. So they crash it in the middle, like going U-turn and he's going straight. It wasn't a big accident, but it causes a lot of jam in the traffic. That's for Wilson. Yeah. Some people like driving a lot, but I really don't. I mean, before when I started driving, I was so scared of driving. This is not really good. I was so scared of driving and I was like praying, please, please, please make me safe and all that. Which is I always say always to myself like I have to be more careful when driving. Look at this one. This is nice. Look. Problem is that when you're driving in the highway, it's usually like 100 100 is the limit, but you can drive to 120. And then look at this one. I bought the book for Luna. And then people are just like driving fast without signal, without anything. That's why I keep on saying like I have to take care always, always, always. And the funny part is that there's a way that is going like going to merge on your left side, and I'm driving Kia. Kia, what is that called? What is the car name? Kia Picanto, and it's a small car. So, since I'm merging to the left, I have to speed up, okay? You know, my car is like 89, 85, 86, 87, 80. I was like a turtle. And people are just like, what? People are just like honking on me. But what I can do, like, I tried my best. That's why I always like check here and other side if there's like a fast car. So if there's a fast car, I will let them pass and then I will pass. That's my trick. So let them pass first and then I pass as well. I don't know. Let's see. How you go this? Like this one? Oh my god, it's too long. So that's my trick. They said like it's easier to drive here than the Philippines, which is have the I don't even think of driving in Philippines because in Philippines you're like bumper to bumper. And I had an accident before. So like the traffic and I have like trauma. Trauma. Look at this one. Cutie. Like a trauma of driving in the traffic. Huh, this is the one that I want to wear in Moon's wedding. Moon's birthday. See? But it's so sexy. It has a hole here and a hole here. What is this? Oh, I know what is this. Oh, I think this is for the fairy. By the way, because it's Luna's birthday soon. It's Luna's birthday soon. So, look, this will be her like happy birthday. Lucia Natalie, but why so ugly? It's like this. Oh. This is the backdrop. 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 I will check on this later, alligator. And the last but not the least, we got the pink one. So big. Ah, this one. Hmm. And then the pants. So sometimes I got a problem of buying clothes, Shwada. And the last is, ta-da! Look at this. So sexy. Yummy, yummy. Chicken biryani. Very nice. Okay, that's it for the night. Ciao.